Introducing Home Technology Club's modular and expandable container units. Our family-run business provides great valued container units and movable dwellings, perfect for side offices, granny flats and worker accommodation. Our series of units are easy to transport and quick to install on your site. Quickly deploy our units and move in a matter of days with minimal professional assistance needed. The JULIET series individual 14 square meter units can be joined together to create larger areas with up to 42 square meters of space. Choose from a basic or custom JULIET design in single, double or triple size modular units with options for kitchen, bathroom and bedrooms. The Violet series can expand 3 times their original size, which increases living floor space. Each Violet model comes with a bathroom and kitchen as standard, with your choice of 1 to 3 bedrooms. The Ruby series units pop up for a rapid installation. Use the unit as a storeroom or portable office. Our team can arrange the best delivery method for you, Australia-wide. We'll select the most cost-effective shipping partner from our wide range of providers. Book an appointment to view our display homes at one of our facilities located in Mulgrave, Guildford and Braybrook. Contact our Home Technology Club team today and get your free quote. Visit our site to learn more about our container units.